about to do is I'm going to take this liquid nitrogen and I'm going to pour it into here, only not too much, but then I'm going to stick it and just pour it through here, and the water mixing with the cold liquid nitrogen is going to create a reaction, and it should propel the car forward a pretty long way. Alright, so now what I'm about to do is I'm going to put 1 ounce of liquid nitrogen in here, about half of this first mark, and then I'm going to pour it in here in about 6 ounces of water. A little bit more. And that's about right then. And as you guys can see right here, some of the mixture kind of leaked out. And these are a couple bottle caps that I've drilled holes in. This one is a 1/16 inch hole, this one is a 1/8, this one is a 1/4 hole, and this one is a 1/2. And by changing the diameter around here, the size of each nozzle, I'm going to see if the bigger ones make it go faster or if the smaller ones make it go slower. And I'm controlling the variables by keeping the amount of liquid nitrogen and water the same each time, in a ratio 1:6 liquid nitrogen to water. So now what I'm about to do is I'm going to install the 1/2 inch nozzle. The car wheelied and turned upside down and wrecked. Alright, so now we have the 1/4 inch nozzle up. And you can see here, it really made a big difference. Right here it actually froze in the nozzle because the liquid nitrogen was so cold. And liquid nitrogen is 321 degrees below zero. And when it hits the water and it starts to warm up, it goes from a liquid to a gas. This, of course, builds up pressure in the bottle. the car crashed, but it reached the end point before. So in case you guys are wondering right now what does happen when you screw the cap all the way on, or if the vapor freezes your hole shut, you better watch out. And this is all that remains of what I just threw out there. That's a lot of force, a lot of pressure broke out of here. So that's why you don't really want to go any shorter than the 1/8 hole, because it might explode like that. And you wouldn't want that to happen while it's on the back of your remote control car. And don't try the 1/16 nozzle at home.